In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the itchio community in just a couple of simple steps. If you use itchio to discover games, follow creators, or stay updated with indie projects, knowing where the community section is can save you time and make the platform much easier to navigate. This is a quick beginner-friendly guide, so if it helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. You can do this by typing itch.io into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the website loads, you'll land on the main homepage where you can browse games, creators, and featured content. Now look at the top menu on the page. Across the top of itch.io, you'll see several navigation options, and one of them is Community. To access the community area, all you need to do is click Community from that top menu. After you click it, itch.io will take you directly to the community section where you can explore posts, discussions, and other community-related content on the platform. This is the main area for connecting with other users and seeing what's happening across itch.io. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the itch.io community. It really is that simple. Go to the website, then click Community from the top menu. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.